A US automotive expert sees good arguments for Daimler to be the best takeover candidate for Tesla. So, do you think Daimler is the best takeover candidate for Tesla? We're going to look into this, although we have several stories on this reported previously. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. Clemens Hentke writes in Business Insider's German edition that remember that when Tesla CEO Elon Musk fueled takeover rumors of a major automaker at an awards ceremony last week, people started to talk about who is the candidate or who can be better candidates. Now, according to experts like Christopher Thompson, the strongest takeover candidate would be the Stuttgart company Daimler with its Mercedes-Benz brand. Why? Let's take a look at that. So, Business Insider's Clemens Hentke writes that the soaring of the electric car manufacturer Tesla could not be stopped by this virus. The virus didn't have any much negative effect on it. The company even rose to become the most valuable car manufacturer in the world, and with a market share of 0.8% is worth an unbelievable 445 billion euros, which is now, I think, approximately 600 billion US dollars. This rapid rise of Tesla is seen by experts as an opportunity for Tesla boss Elon Musk to merge with an established car company, with a rival established car company. For the US auto expert Christopher Thompson, the Stuttgart manufacturer Daimler is at the top of the list of possible takeover candidates, as he analyzed that in an article published in Reuters. I will have the Reuters link in the description of this video for you guys to peruse. Elon Musk, Business Insider reports, was open to negotiations at the Axel Springer Award ceremony, if you remember, in Berlin last week. With Mercedes-Benz, Daimler serves a similar customer base as Tesla in terms of price, class, and demands. Many people thought maybe it's Volkswagen to make a friendly merger with Tesla. But Volkswagen has a T mission. T stands for Tesla, and they adore Tesla, and they want to compete with Tesla and overcome and produce more electric vehicle cars and they're doing a lot of things. But Daimler serves a similar customer base as Tesla in terms of price, class, and demands. A cooperation between the two companies could also multiply Tesla's production figures and strengthen its position in the European and Chinese markets, which are particularly important for electric cars. According to this expert, however, other car companies such as US rivals Ford and General Motors do not fit into Tesla's luxury class. A takeover of BMW, for example, he says, would be impossible due to BMW, the family ownership of the German car manufacturer BMW. Volkswagen, he says, already relies heavily on electric cars, and taking over a Japanese company is generally difficult, according to Thompson. Although I have to mention that Tesla in the past has had working experience with, I believe, Toyota and both the Daimler. Now, Daimler, he says, could be the Time Warner for Elon Musk. If you remember, AOL bought Time Warner. A takeover by Daimler takeover of Daimler by Tesla is compared by the experts with the takeover of Time Warner by the online portal AOL. At the beginning of the millennium, AOL was able to merge with what was then the largest media group in the world because of its share, which was highly valued by the dot-com bubble. Daimler was even involved in Tesla once before, like I said. The group, the Mercedes-Benz producer, then sold its shares at a profit, but well below today's value. Thanks to a US stock exchange regulations, Elon Musk could even take over the Benz empire with Tesla's current market capitalization without getting the approval of the shareholder, because I think you need to have the approval of shareholders if you want to have acquisition, which is more than your 20% of your market capitalization. Daimler is valued, I think, 65 or 75 billion dollars, and Tesla with its 600 billion dollars market cap can easily acquire Daimler. I don't know, friends. I'm not saying this will happen, but if you work for Daimler or for Tesla and would like to contact me or comment in the comment section below on this topic, you're most welcome. I would love to hear your comments and see what you guys think about this development. So please like this video, subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. This is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com, and have a wonderful rest of the day. I'll see you in our next report. God bless you, everyone, and peace be with all of you.